Bam! Welcome to another show of In Those Snacks, which I have today 7 Up Tropical. I was walking inside the grocery store, I forgot which one, and I was looking for Shirley Temple. And then I saw this, I saw new on there, and I was like, oh, gotta cop them. And when I think I went back, they don't have anymore. So you might not be able to find it, but let's open this up and taste it and see what it looks like. All right, already had a cold one inside the fridge. I should have got more of these, but it is what it is. Comes out the same color as the can in a sense. Let me get it all out. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Uh-oh. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. All right, and so we got that right there. And as it clears, you can see the nice color and bubbles of everything. And that's the color of it. It's like almost the same as the can. And you see the tropical flavored soda in there. How much? Oh, 140 calories, and there's a lot of sugar in there. So do be careful because soda and sugar and all that will kill you. But I'm just drinking a little bit right now. So let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Yum, 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 yum. So to me, it tastes like peach soda almost. It's not really tropical. I don't know what people define as tropical, but it's more like the peach that you see on there. It tastes really peachy. And so it's all right. It's cool. I give it a 7.5 out of 10 because it's just okay. Like I wouldn't kill myself to go get it, but we don't have peach soda on the West Coast. I remember when I used to live in the South, we had peach soda all day, but that might be, easier for some people, if you want to order it, but I don't. So this is all right. So thanks guys for watching.